Hey everybody, welcome to Tech Tuesday. My name is Matt Weaver, got Steve Hinson behind the camera here. Today we want to talk to you about cell phone protection, specifically in regards to cell phone cases. I use a Nimbus 9 Ghost 2 as my daily driver. We have lots of options for cell phone cases. Nimbus 9 makes an incredible product, Cirrus 2, the Latitude. Today I want to talk to you about why I choose the Ghost 2 case. This case, first of all, my favorite part of this case is that it has real buttons in the case. The reason that's so important is that when you go to press it, it feels receptive. It's easy to press. It feels smooth, as I feel like it should be. Not a lot of cases are designed this way. You can definitely tell the quality that Nimbus 9 puts into these. But perhaps the most important part about why I love this case is Nimbus 9 has military standard drop protection, which should be right around 8-foot drop protection. What separates the Ghost 2 series from the other Nimbus 9 series is the magnet that's built into the case. So I'm going to show you that real quick. From the outside you can't really tell. Mine's scuffed up because I've had it for a while and it's doing a great job protecting my phone. But this is just a smooth surface. You can wireless charge through this case. And if we take it out of here, there's a little Ghost 2 symbol there, and right here is the magnet. So how this works is these cases come with a magnet that you'll probably see on your screen right now, and that goes in the vent of your car. There's actually a couple options. You can use like a double-sided 3M tape to put it in your car. You can also attach it right to your vent where the air or heat comes out. And you take the phone when you're moving in and out of your car, as I am frequently, and you just really put it right on the magnet. Just set it right on it. We'll show you a picture here of what that looks like. And it's extremely convenient, and it keeps your phone out of your way while you're driving, and allows you to maybe change the song or do light stuff. Obviously no texting and driving, folks.
So a lot of times people wonder what a case will do. When you set your phone down, it doesn't scratch the screen because the extra material here prevents the screen from actually touching the surface. So, I could slide it all along, but it's not actually touching the screen. And ultimately, when you're done with your phone, if you had a tempered glass and a case, then your phone would look pretty much brand new when you're done with it.
All right, everybody, so that wraps up Tech Tuesday for this week. We appreciate you tuning in, and we'll see you next Tuesday to talk more about device protection at Genius Phone Repair.